Hey there, wonderful artists. Welcome back to Easy Peasy Art. Today we're diving into the enchanting world of Koroks, adorable little wooden beings from the forests. So grab your art supplies and let's bring some cuteness to life. Let's kick things off by sketching out a leaf shape, but give it some edge. Now let's infuse our Korok with personality. Create two tiny eyes brimming with joy, a playful nose, and a mischievous grin. This Korok is positively tickled pink. Next up, let's fashion those hands atop our leaf. Followed by a plump round body. Our Korok is so overjoyed. They're raising their arms up high in pure elation. Now add in two little legs beneath the body to complete the picture. And don't forget to surround our Korok with flowing leaves, capturing the essence of their forest dwelling. To bring our drawing to life, let's coat our Korok in their favorite earthy colors. Add in some textures and details for that extra charm. And there you have it. Our cutest, most excited Korok is ready to charm the forest. That's all for today, folks. Don't forget to share your Korok drawings with me. I'd love to see them. And if you're new to the channel, don't hesitate to hit subscribe and like. Until next time, happy drawing!